Alright, I'm doing a video presentation on the dewlap display behavior in the green anole. Background image was taken by me in 2016. This is the video that I took. My functional hypothesis was that anole lizards displayed dewlaps and head bobbing because the ornament of the dewlap functions as an aid for males obtaining a mate. This allows them to gain more mates, reproducing more often, and continuing to pass their genes on. This was sourced from Dyson's et al. 2015. My evolutionary hypothesis is that the male develops a dewlap as an ornament to assist in finding a mate and conveying strength and fighting ability to other males. This ornament developed as the dewlap became more desirable by females, resulting in the structure evolving. The dewlap was also needed to evolve to differentiate between different species and sexes of anoles, leading to color and shape diversity. This was sourced from Van Hooydonk et al. 2009. We see a lot of variation in dewlap color and size. Like, for example, we just saw red. Sometimes they're orange, sometimes they're purple, sometimes they're blue, sometimes they got spots. So it's pretty variable between species, and a lot of these species live in the same general area, so we gotta know who's who. My causation hypothesis is that testosterone causes lizards to display dewlaps at females more often during the breeding season. This is sourced from Neil Wade 2007. My developmental hypothesis was that the cartilage for the structure of the dewlap takes time to fully finish developing, requiring young males to lose some fights in order to fully learn how life goes and mature from it. This was sourced from O'Brien Wade 2001 and Hughes 2021. It was O'Brien's article that mentioned the cartilage of the structure, which I found interesting because nobody really talks about the actual internal parts of the structure. They mostly focus on the color of the actual structure itself and the function of it, so I found that kind of interesting. The relation to Cogbooks Module 2, T3 Sexual Selection, is that the anole dewlap varies in UV reflectance and color as a way for females to distinguish between species and adaptation to the environment in which it lives. Female dominance also plays a role in which females get the more superior pick and males. Females select for better dewlap color, pattern, bite force, and body size. This was sourced by NG et al. 2013 and Stellar and White 2010. The unusual spelling is found on my reference slide for my last reference.